Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can be one of the best decisions for your health? It's true. More and more people are choosing to fill their plates with delicious plants, and the benefits are simply amazing. Let's dive into why a plant-based diet might be the right choice for you. First, let's talk about heart health. One of the biggest advantages of a plant-based diet is that it can help lower your risk of heart disease. Plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts are packed with nutrients that help keep your heart strong. They're low in bad cholesterol and high in fiber, which can help lower your blood pressure and keep your arteries clear. Next up is increased energy levels. Have you ever felt sluggish or tired after a heavy meal? That's less likely to happen with a plant-based meal. Plant foods are easier for your body to digest, giving you a natural energy boost. Many people who switch to a plant-based diet say they feel lighter, more energized, and more focused throughout the day. Another big benefit is weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, a plant-based diet could be your secret weapon. These foods are often lower in calories but high in fiber, which keeps you full longer. Instead of feeling deprived, you get to enjoy a wide variety of tasty, filling foods while keeping your weight in check. Let's not forget about your immune system. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can give your immune system a huge boost. These foods are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help fight off illnesses. By filling your plate with colorful produce, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong and healthy. And who doesn't want glowing, healthy skin? The antioxidants found in plant-based foods can work wonders for your skin. They help reduce inflammation and protect against damage from the sun and pollution. Many people notice clearer, more radiant skin after making the switch to a plant-based lifestyle. But it's not just about physical health. A plant-based diet can also improve your mental well-being. Studies have shown that people who eat more plant foods tend to have lower levels of stress and anxiety. It could be because these foods help stabilize your blood sugar and provide important nutrients that support brain health. You don't have to go all in right away to enjoy these benefits. Start by adding more plants to your meals. Think colorful salads, hearty veggie stews, or fruit smoothies. Even small changes can make a big difference. So, why not give it a try? Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy, improve your skin, or support your heart, a plant-based diet has something amazing to offer. Ready to make the switch? Your body will thank you, and so will your taste buds. Seedling.